Unlock the secret to style landing pages that convert. Discover how to create eye-catching designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed. Ready to boost your business? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back. In this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. First of all I have to do is open my browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you have here several things and various information, like you have design spotlight, we have like documents, photos and videos, brand, marketing, then we have business here, Canva enterprise, Canva teams, contact sales, business solutions, use case, resources and other things. Then we have here education, teachers and schools, students, resources. Then we have LMS integrations, case studies, higher education. We have your plans and pricing like free, pro, teams, enterprise. We have your learn like Canva blog, design school events, help center. And this is it. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop features, a vast library of templates and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So to get started, you have just to click over sign up and then you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Canva. You will find this page, as you can see. So right now I will show you how you can do that, but before I will show you how you can create a landing page. So to create a landing page on Canva, you have just to start by selecting a landing page template from the option available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compile call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. With Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So right now all I have to do is just click over here, search your content in Canva, then you click over Canva templates and you search about landing page. So here we have 20,000 templates. So I will select the niche that I want. For example, we have here all categories, business, or we have social media, education, video, marketing, print products, card and event invitations. Then we have a style like modern, minimalist, simple, professional, corporate, colorful, and we have them also like business here, black, corporate, company, pink, education. Then you have language, feature, rate, subject, topic also. Then we have the price also. So we'll choose free here, and also we have color. You choose the color that you want, as you can see. You click over apply. Once you do that, you will find these examples. We have 10,000 templates, as you can see. So we will select the one you want. For example, I will select this one, and then I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find our page, which is this one. So we have here several things and various options or settings. Firstly, we have your design. So about this one, you can choose here templates. Have your fall, Halloween, blue, pink, you select the one you want. You have your styles also, like we have your recently used combinations, color palettes, font sets, recent design styles, image palettes, and other things. Then we have your elements. Here we have table, frame, line, table shares, and other things, as you can see. We have also stickers, audio, and we have here text. You can add a text box if you want. Magic write also. Yeah, add your brand fonts if you want. Default text styles like add a heading, add a subheading, as you can see. You have add a little bit of body text, and you choose here font combinations like this one, this one, this one, this one. So this one is those ones I choose, it's for free. Then we have also here brand, like here we have logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons. Then we have your uploads. You can just upload files like images, videos, audio also, and you can also record yourself. Then we have a draw. For example, click over here and you click over allow, then you get started. as you can see, and you click over record. 3, 2, 1, and you get started, as you can see. So this is my landing page, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. And then I will click over done. So it's just an example. You can delete it or you can save and exit. So I will exit the studio. Then we have also here draw. For example, I'll select this one. Then we have also project here. You have here all designs, folders. And if you want to create folder, if you want to start. And also we have here draw. And I will select the folder I want. For example, this one, I will write Canva here. Sorry. So if I come back, you click over here, and you will come back in the first photo. Then we have here also other options like file here, like creating design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to folder, make a copy, download, filter history, move to trash, find or place, open in desktop app, suggest improvements also. You have here edit, commenting and viewing. We have here resize also. You can choose resize templates or transform into doc. Then we have other things like here. We have add account, insights. Also we have here current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start conversation. Then we have here share if you want to get started. So Canva empowers you to create stunning landing pages effortlessly. So blending creativity with functionality, it's for Canva. So by utilizing its intuitive tools and templates, you can design a page that not only looks great but also effectively engages your audience. Whether you are promoting a product or capturing leads, Canva makes it simple to transform your vision into reality. Start designing today and watch your conversion soar. So also we have here some information like the Canva represent font, have here content that represents everyone. Are you next Canva represent artist? You can just read this information to more understand about Canva, our long-term commitment to diversify. Then we have here meet to artists, and we have your features, explore community, dollar and company. You can just ask to more understand. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget like and comment, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Don't forget also subscribe.